Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel saya Hamdan Maulana. Di video kali ini saya sedang merakit sepeda Recumbent bike ini. Nanti saya akan rakit di bagian handlebarnya, terus tinggal terot, jok, dan nanti posisi ini menurut yang pesannya atau pemesannya harus diluruskan. Nanti saya akan luruskan. Oke, untuk lebih jelasnya kita lihat sepedanya.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on